Hey guys, so we are taking a piece of pressed board. I just left it tan, but you can paint it if you like. And we are stapling some burlap to it. And then we are going to take some springs. I'm trying to think, I think I used 8 springs, but if you want a bigger wreath, you can use some more springs. But the 8 fit perfectly on my little board here. And then we're going to take some very thin rusty wire and we are going to tie 2 springs together at all of the tops of this, and then we're going to flip it over and tie 2 strings together all across the bottom of it so that every spring is tied to another one and it forms our circle wreath. Then we'll set that aside, and I'm taking some old and some new book pages and I'm cutting out some circles so that we can make swirlies, and I will do these on live in a slow version so that you guys can see them. Now that I've got the hang of it, it is very easy and simple, and I can definitely do them on live. I've done one of the swirly ones, but I haven't done this other one here that you're seeing now. So we'll have to do some. But these turn out really pretty, you guys. They're very simple and easy to make, very therapeutic and relaxing to make. You can take a skewer there and kind of do what I'm doing there and fold out the petals so that it looks even more flowery. I did one with all new pages, one of these big ones, and then I did one with one flower that was a mix of the old and new pages, and I think that's my favorite one. You could do this so many different ways. You could use scrapbook paper or anything else too. And then the swirly ones just kind of turn out very small, like little flower buds almost. And you'll kind of see me start to stack them there at the top. And that way we have a mix of large, small, medium flowers. And it does take a little time, but it is so pretty and so worth it when you're done. So then I grab our wreath form back, and I add some Spanish moss and I start gluing in the flowers. I did not glue down the Spanish moss, but I did glue the flowers to the Spanish moss. That way if I ever want to switch this out, I can. I think the flowers might work for all year round, but you never know what you're going to want to do. So now we have a spring wreath form that we can use for anything. So once we get all of our flowers done and glued in there, you guys, I think this turns out so stinking cute. Here it is without the burlap board behind it. You could glue it or staple it to the burlap board or just sit it on it. I think it's pretty both ways. Thank you so much for watching.